put your hands up on my lap and slow wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy. Put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason I will hold ya. Girl, never fear the unknown. Take my hand and I will show ya. Need a vibe tonight so I can get to know ya. Icicle, hard thing, something you can ride like bicycle. Heart on my sleeve, always straight, no wrinkle. Me and you, girl, we can keep it so simple.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put on my units. I'm basically going to be doing the stocking cap method, which I always do now because it protects my hair, especially when I'm using glue. So all I'm doing here is making sure that all my hair is going back. I am going to be doing the glamazante method of cutting out the hole for your ears so everything lays flat. I mean, sometimes it works and sometimes it's a mess, but I'm going to be using my Got To Be Freeze Blast spray also to hold down this unit. I'm not using the gel, so you guys are going to see that. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to just speed this up and I'm going to play some music.
Tom makes beats.
This is for my lady and my friend that's who she's not a ghost you.
Alright you guys, right here I'm using my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation. So I learned this from Erica J and this is amazing actually. I'm just using this random brush. It doesn't matter what brush you use, just make sure you get it all covered. You could do this after you cut the cap off, but I noticed that when I do it before I cut the cap off, it's less to clean up because you do have to clean up your skin before you apply the glue. So basically that's all I'm doing right here, and yeah, I'm gonna come back when I need to explain anything else, but I just wanted to tell you this is the Ruby Kisses in the color number 14. So yeah.
Says she want banana, then her nons get thick like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palaba. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Let me hold her. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold her. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder. Baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy. Put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason I will hold ya. Girl, never fear the unknown. Take my hand and I will show ya. Need a vibe tonight so I can get to know ya. Icicle, hard thing, something you can ride like bicycle. Heart on my sleeve, always straight, no wrinkle. Me and you, girl, we can keep it so simple. Says she want banana, then her nons get thick like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palaba. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Let me hold her. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold her. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder, yeah.
You know I shouldn't get it, girl. I'm feeling your vibe whenever you roll with
it, girl.
You always there when I need you. But right now I need you. I'm calling your number. Girl, give me the feature. Come spill me some ether. I had that shit open. Your body, I had that shit smoking. They call it a chimney teaser. We ain't gotta waste no time. I'ma just release what's on your mind. Tell me your secrets, I'm gon' keep on. They won't ever feel you like I do. Relax your mind while we smoke the sweet. I'ma take your body, shorty. All I gotta say is, you know that you can get it, girl. You know that you can get it, girl. I'm feeling your vibe whenever you roll with me. Took so long to notice, shorty. All I gotta say is, you know that you can get it, girl. You know that you can get it, girl.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip riding with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please.
Banana, bananas get thick like cassava. When girl moon on, me nah want pull up. But if she want take it, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more.
Let me hold you. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder.